In front of me is Motorola Moto G9 Play, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by opening your keyboard and clicking on this clipboard icon at the top. If you can't find it, hit those three dots. Look for it over here, hold it and drag it to the top. Then let go. After accessing Clipboard, you need to tap on this switcher at the top right corner to activate it. Now, in order to use it, just copy or cut any text. Then click on Clipboard and tap on it to paste it. If you wish to pin one of your selected texts or photos, tap on this pen at the top right corner, click on the one that you wish to pin, and select pin icon next to the pin one. To remove one of your saved sentences, click on the same pen, tap on the chosen one, and click on pin icon instead. Lastly, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!